Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So in this video will be taking a new challenge which is of slightly higher level than what we did earlier. So this is like convert string to camel case. Okay, so they are asking us to write a function so that we have to write what we say r- that it converts dash or an and underscore demulated words into camel case, and camel casing means capital letter. The first word within the output should be capitalized only if the original word was capitalized, known as uppercasing. The next word should always be capitalized, which means, like for example, here we have an example string called the stealth warrior, and it gets converted to stealth with the S capital and warrior with the W capital. Here we have two dashes, so we have to take care of these two dashes, and second one, it is already in capital, so but we have to convert these to like capital and all those things and keep everything in check. So we will be making a function, so I will be just making a function, so I will be using split command and slice command. Okay, so what we say, let be okay, let new string array is equal to, what I will say, new string array is equal to, I will say, okay, str. Okay, what it did, okay, so I will say, okay, str dot split with this command. Okay, so I'm first splitting with the dash. Okay, okay, so it gave me an array the the stealth would be, it will give me like three length array, with the first one will be the second one will be stealth, and third one will be warrior. So what I will do, I will say, okay, I don't want to change the first one. For let I is equal to 1, I less than new str array dot length variable, I will say plus. Now what I will do is very simple, I will say new string array equal to, what I will say, new string array I'm saying for 1. Okay, so what I'm saying is like, okay, so what I did is like I converted into a split. I converted into an array by splitting with dash. So I'm looping that array, like now it will loop from the second element, second stealth. So what I want is like new stealth array, what I will say, let me say I new, let's say I. Okay, what I will say, new stealth array is equal to I want the next element. Okay, it is already splitted. Okay, it's already splitted. I wanted the first element, like now it will be the first element dot, and I want the first letter to be uppercase, to uppercase, but I want the rest character as well, which will be new string array of 0 dot slice, and default will be the 1. So what happened here is like, so what I did is like so let me just like show you like how, what is this. So after this it would become the stealth, and then there would be a warrior. So I want the letter of S and W should be capital. Okay, so what I did is I looped through this array. I said, okay, first element is this one, second element is this one. So the first element stealth is equal to So what I mean is new array string. So I'm asking this like first element of this array, that means stealth, should is equal to okay. Now what I did is I copied the stealth, I I find out its value. Okay, I took the first word with the 0, I converted it to uppercase, but if I won't write this one, it would only give me capital S, but I want the other letter as well, LEATH, that would do by the this one. It got the first element, and then I'm asking splice, like from the first direction it should do it. Okay, so what I did is this one got the first one. Okay, so what I did is okay, so I got the element like of splice 1, and I will do this one. Okay, so what I did is I got this element, I got splice to return from first to this one. Okay, one minute. So what I am doing is like I am splicing it to the one. Okay, let me create a second array. Let second string array is equal to, now I will replace split. Okay, so it won't be happening. Okay, so I have to remember, like I have to convert it to a string now. Okay, okay, so I will say let new string second new string is equal to, I will get this one new string array, I would join it. Okay, now this will return me a string. Okay, with the capital S. Okay, and the body is not down. Okay, so what I will do is like I would join it again and I would split it again. Okay, so I am splitting it again. Okay, and I would use the same logic, so I would just copy this one, and I would just copy and I would just replace it. Okay, now I got the output, so it would do the same thing. So now I have to join return second, this is final. Okay, now I would say this one and I would test it. All test case pass, attempt, all test case pass. Okay, so let's refactor. Okay, let's refactor it. So how I will reflect it now? Okay, I don't need this one. What I will do is I put to this one, sorry. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I will test it again. Let's see if it runs or not. Second new str is not defined. Where it is? There it is. Okay, this one it should run. I should attempt it. Now I have refactored it. I could call a new function. So to make it more like generic, so let's call it another function. Okay, let me call okay, okay. Let me just call it a function, a conversion function. I'm refactoring it, like let's say refactor. Okay, so what happened here is split. Okay, the new string will be unconverted, so let it be control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, and then there will be attempt, and then there will be submit. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.